How to add credit card to your Uber Eats account. Let's get started. Launch your Uber Eats app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of account. Once we're in the account tab, here you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of wallet. Now here you will see the option of payment methods. Click on this option of add payment method. With that, you're gonna get the option of credit or debit card. Click on it. Now go ahead and fill this. Provide your credit card number. Then provide your expiration date. Then type in your CVV. Then select your country and then type in the zip code. Lastly, type in your joint account or work card nickname. After you provide all the details, click on save, and just with that your credit card will be updated to your Uber Eats account. So this way you can easily add credit card to your Uber Eats account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.